Hello, and welcome to 5553 Waterman. This building was built in 1910, and it's a sixplex, which is rather unusual in St. Louis. We have more multi-unit buildings that are, apartment style with 10 plus units, and then a lot of fourplexes, but not a lot of sixplexes, which are more common in places like Kansas City, where this style predominates. So you have 3-layer balcony, triple decked on both sides. And these were very nice apartments when they were built. And then the building has been converted into condos. We're going to be looking at 1E, which is this first floor unit on the right. See some of the architectural detail, a lot of which has just been restored after the storm. And as we walk up, the original stone steps, Ionic columns supporting this massive porch cover. So we come up to the front door, you can see the address tiled into the square tile. And then here above, we have an ornate plaster ceiling. And that's on the outside, up inside that porch roof there. We enter. You can see we have marble walls, mailboxes, original leaded glass in the door, tile design on the floor, and ornate patterned ceiling here. The different tile pattern on this portion of the floor. And at the rear we have the steps which go up to the upper units. But this is the unit we're going into, Unit 1E. We enter into the foyer here. And this goes through to the living dining room, which is a very good sized room. You can see this area here, this section, is set up so it could be used as a formal dining room if that's what was desired, or it could be used as it is now as one large living room. The gas fireplace here. Looks like the original brickwork on the mantelpiece. And then this light and airy window, which looks out onto your private balcony. Which is a very good size. There's a little ceiling fan up there, keep the mosquitoes at bay. As we come back inside, you can see the living room from this angle here. Through into the dining section of the kitchen. Good range of cabinets here. A cherry finish. Granite countertops. And on this side, a tile backsplash. Looks quite nice. As we go backwards, or go to the rear of the building rather, not backwards, we're walking forwards. Have a powder room here. A good sized vanity for a powder room. And that's one of the benefits of this unit, is it's actually set up really well for a multiple adult household, which is, so you have multiple bathrooms that can be used, as well as having in-unit laundry. At the rear, we have an office room. Could be a third bedroom, but it's a little bit small for a bedroom, but a great office space. Very good sized main bedroom here. And this is a king bed. As you can see, there's plenty of space around this on all sides. Good sized closet. And this has a Jack and Jill bathroom setup. So you have the powder room with its own vanity, so one person could get ready, as well as this double vanity here as well. And then off the side is the separate toilet and shower compartment. The tub shower, nicely tiled. And it's a Jack and Jill bathroom. You can see we walk into the other bedroom right here. Again, good closet. And two good-sized windows as well. And that takes us back to the hallway. And we'll take a look out the rear of the building here. Oh, just had a little Mr. Squirrel there. So we have rear stairs. Just go down to an allocated parking spot in a secure parking area. Here's the rear of the building. As you can see, nicely maintained, and I believe they're just finishing up the roof on this, or they've got the. I spoke with someone from the HOA who said they just finished putting the caps on the front. So, lots of work's been done. Thank you very much for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.